Ever wondered how a simple change in your diet can significantly impact your health? It's not always about drastic alterations or fancy superfoods. Sometimes, it's the humble, everyday items that hold the key. Today, we're focusing on one of these power-packed ingredients that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Yes, we're talking about garlic. This pungent, flavorful bulb isn't just a culinary superstar, it's also a potent natural remedy. Let's dive into the world of garlic, a humble kitchen ingredient with surprising health benefits. Garlic, a staple in many cuisines, is not just a flavor enhancer, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Firstly, garlic is known to boost our immune system. It's rich in compounds like allicin and vitamin C, which are vital in fighting off colds and other infections. Regular consumption of garlic can aid in reducing the frequency and duration of cold symptoms. Secondly, garlic is a friend to your heart. It contains compounds that help dilate blood vessels, effectively reducing blood pressure. This is especially beneficial to those suffering from hypertension. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you're taking a step towards a healthier heart. Thirdly, garlic can help lower the risk of heart disease. It works by reducing levels of LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL cholesterol. This balance is key in preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries, thus reducing the risk of heart disease. The fourth benefit is detoxification. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes responsible for expelling toxins from the body. So, enjoying some garlic can help your body's natural detoxification process. Moving on to the fifth point, garlic has been found to improve bone health, especially in women. Studies suggest that it can minimize bone loss by increasing estrogen levels in females. So ladies, it might be time to add some more garlic to your meals. Sixthly, garlic enhances physical performance. It was once used by ancient civilizations to reduce fatigue and enhance the work capacity of laborers. Today, it's known to improve exercise performance, especially in individuals with heart disease. Lastly, and perhaps most intriguingly, regular garlic consumption may help us live longer. The combined effects of reducing blood pressure, lowering cholesterol, and antioxidant properties may contribute to longevity. These are just a few examples of how garlic can enhance and protect our health. So, it's clear that garlic is more than just a kitchen staple. Garlic, this humble bulb, has been lauded for its taste and aroma, but today we've delved into its powerful health benefits. From bolstering your immune system, to promoting heart health, and even helping in detoxification, garlic proves itself to be a potent ally in our wellness journey. We explored how its active compound, allicin, works wonders in our bodies, showing antibacterial and antifungal properties. We saw how garlic is a natural antioxidant powerhouse, helping to combat oxidative stress and potentially slow down aging. We also discovered its role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and its potential benefits for our bone health. Incorporating garlic into our daily meals is not a Herculean task. It's as simple as adding a clove or two to your favorite dishes, or even consuming it raw if you're up for it. The beauty of this superfood is its versatility. It can enhance almost any meal, from hearty stews to fresh salads, and even your morning toast. But remember, as with all things, moderation is key. Too much of anything, even garlic, can have adverse effects. It's also worth noting that while garlic has numerous health benefits, it's not a cure-all. It should complement a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. We encourage you to delve deeper, to research more about the myriad of benefits this bulb offers. Consider incorporating it into your diet, but always with mindfulness and in balance with your body's needs. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Consider adding a clove of garlic to your daily diet and reap the health benefits it offers.